Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Wasim Tariq, and today we're diving into something super exciting for all the DIY lovers and woodworking enthusiasts out there. We're talking about Ted's woodworking plans, one of the most comprehensive step-by-step guides to woodworking that I've seen. So if you've ever wanted to start woodworking, build your dream furniture, or just try your hand at something creative in your garage or workshop, Ted's woodworking plans might just be the answer you've been looking for. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, Ted's Woodworking Plans is a collection of over 16,000 woodworking projects ranging from small home decor pieces to large, complex furniture designs. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned woodworker, there's something in there for everyone, and we're talking blueprints, diagrams, and detailed instructions, like they leave nothing to chance. Now let's talk about what you actually get with this package. When you sign up for Ted's Woodworking, you'll gain access to a massive library of plans. Here's a quick rundown of what's inside. You've got everything from outdoor furniture, garden projects, storage solutions, and home improvement ideas to more advanced stuff like wooden toys and shed plans. Plus, Ted throws in a bunch of bonus guides on things like woodworking techniques, finishing tips, and even how to use different tools. So what are the key benefits of this? Well, first, it's incredibly beginner-friendly. Even if you've never touched a piece of wood before, these plans make it easy to get started. They guide you through each step so you're not left wondering, what now? At any point. Another big plus is that these plans are designed for real-world people. No fancy jargon or obscure terms, just simple, clear instructions that anyone can follow. And if you're stuck or confused, Ted even includes access to a support team. Yes, actual people who can help you if you need it. Now, no product is perfect, right? So, let's talk about a couple of downsides to keep in mind. First, the sheer volume of plans can be a bit overwhelming. With 16,000 projects to choose from, it might take you a little time to decide where to start. But, hey, that's more of a good problem to have, right? Also, because the plans are all digital, you'll need a tablet, laptop, or printer to view them and print them out. But that's really a minor inconvenience in today's tech-savvy world. So, here's my final verdict. If you're serious about woodworking, whether you're a beginner or a pro, Ted's Woodworking Plans is an absolute game-changer. The variety, the level of detail, and the ease of use make it one of the best resources out there for DIYers and hobbyists alike. With Ted's Plans, you're getting a comprehensive, well-structured toolkit for success in your woodworking journey. And if you're anything like me, that feeling of completing your own project with your own hands? Priceless. If you want to check it out for yourself and dive into those 16,000 projects, I'll drop a link down in the description below. Trust me, it's worth it. So, are you ready to start your next woodworking project? Let me know in the comments, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video.